When someone needs an attorney, they oftentimes want someone they connect with on some level. These can be things such as sharing a common culture, race, political beliefs, religious beliefs, and being members of a particular community such as African American, Iranian, Persian, and the gay or LGBT community. If you are a member of the Iranian or Persian communities and have a legal need of any kind, you may want an Iranian or Persian attorney to help you navigate the legal system. Our legal team consists of Persian attorneys who are licensed to practice law nationwide. Please let our Iranian lawyer and Persian attorneys help you. They handle cases, claims, and lawsuits of all kinds, including auto accidents, business law, civil rights, criminal defense, discrimination, DUI, employment, family law, injury, medical malpractice, workers' compensation, and wrongful death. Our nationwide network of Persian attorneys offer complimentary case reviews for most areas of law. In terms of accident, injury, workers' comp, and employment lawsuits, they charge no fees unless they obtain benefits and financial compensation for you. Our Iranian family law attorneys may charge a fee for the initial consultation. For those that we do, that fee is applied to your retainer should you choose to retain their services. The Persian lawyers in our network are all award-winning attorneys with long track records of obtaining very favorable case results for their clients. They handle all cases of law in all 50 states, Puerto Rico, and Washington, D.C. These range from auto accidents, including car, truck, motorcycle, pedestrian accidents, and auto accidents while vacationing. Cancer misdiagnosis, claims for all cancer types such as bladder cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer, colon and colorectal cancer, Kaposi sarcoma, leukemia, lung cancer, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, ovarian cancer, and skin cancer. Civil rights claims for sexual orientation, profiling, HIV status discrimination, housing discrimination, being the victim of hate crimes, police brutality, and others. College student cases involving campus injury cases, assault charges, discrimination, DUI, and alcohol crimes, hate crimes, hazing, misdemeanors, sexual assault, slip and fall cases, representation during college disciplinary review board cases, and workers' compensation. Criminal defense, including assault, crimes against children, domestic violence, drug crimes, property crimes, sex offenses, violent crimes, gun charges, and weapons offenses, as well as white-collar crimes. Dangerous products such as asbestos, Roundup weed killer, defective Takata airbags, defective Takata seat belts, GM ignition switches, IKEA furniture, and Fisher-Price Rock and Play sleepers. DUI, DWI, and OUI defense for alcohol-induced charges, drug driving, impaired driving, and buzzed driving. Employment law claims stemming from sexual harassment, discrimination, hostile work environment, unpaid wages, retaliation, and wrongful termination. Estate planning needs such as business succession planning, drafting of wills, estate administration, estate and probate litigation, life and long-term care planning. Family law issues including adoption, annulment, child custody, child support, divorce, prenuptial and postnuptial agreements, same-sex marriage, spousal support, and third-party visitation. Medical malpractice lawsuits stemming from anesthesia malpractice, birth injuries, blood tests, result misinterpretation, cancer misdiagnosis, delayed diagnosis, emergency room malpractice, failure to treat illnesses, HIV misdiagnosis, hospital-acquired infections, medication mistakes, surgical errors, and wrongful death. Medication injury claims due to drugs such as Belvic, COVID-19 vaccine, Elmiron, Invokana, and other type 2 diabetes drugs, opioid addiction, Taxotere, Truvada, Zantac, and others. Nursing home injuries lawsuit due to abuse, bed sores, burns, COVID-19 infection, falls, financial crimes, infections, medical malpractice, medical misdiagnosis, medication errors, neglect, sexual assault, unnecessary restraint, sedation, transportation injuries, wandering off, and wrongful death. Personal injury cases involving amputation, back injuries, bone injuries, concussions, facial injuries, joint injuries, spinal cord injuries, and traumatic brain injuries. Premises liability, animal attacks, and slip and fall lawsuits against homeowners, Best Buy, casinos, gas stations, golf courses, gyms, hospitals, IKEA, malls including outlet malls and strip malls, hotels, pharmacies, restaurants, Target, Walmart, and other retail establishments. Workers' compensation claims for back injuries, repetitive stress injuries, work-related auto accidents, workplace assault, workplace slip and fall, and other on-the-job accidents. Wrongful death suits due to auto accidents, trucking accidents, medical malpractice, nursing home negligence, and workplace fatalities. No matter what type of legal need you are facing, you have rights and they need to be protected. Our Iranian injury attorneys serving the Persian community nationwide will do just that. They fight relentlessly for their clients, whether it's trying to get a DUI charge dropped or dismissed, protecting the rights of you, your child, and children in a family law matter, helping to attain a work visa or citizenship, obtaining a max benefits and compensation you deserve if injured due to reckless actions of others, and fighting to ensure you are being treated fairly and your rights are protected in the workplace. With office nationwide, they serve all 50 states, Puerto Rico, and Washington, D.C. Please contact our Persian attorneys today to discuss how they can help you. Feel free to visit findpersianlawyers.com to arrange a free initial consultation with our Iranian attorneys. We speak Farsi.